each. Q.1 The movie was funny and I, blank. A could help laughing, B couldn't help laugh, C couldn't help laughing, D could help laugh. Q2XYZ equals. What is the value of A? 0.25. GATE 2022 Life Sciences Excel page 2 of 71 Q3 Both the numerator and the denominator of are increased. What is the value of A 0.75, B 1.25, C 2.25, D 3.25? GATE 2022 Life Sciences Excel page 2 of 71 Q3 Both the numerator and the denominator of are increased by a positive integer, x, and those of are decreased by the same integer. This operation results in the same value for both the fractions. What is the value of x? A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. GATE 2022 Life Sciences Excel page 3 of 71 Q4 A survey of 450 students about their subjects of interest resulted in the following outcome. 150 students are interested in mathematics. 200 students are interested in physics. 175 students are interested in chemistry. 50 students are interested in mathematics and physics. 60 students are interested in physics and chemistry. 40 students are interested in mathematics and chemistry. 30 students are interested in mathematics, physics and chemistry. Remaining students are interested in humanities. Based on the above information, the number of students interested in humanities is A 10, B 30, C 40, D 45. GATE 2022 Life Sciences Excel. Picture shown above. Which one of the following is the correct picture representing reflection with respect to the mirror shown as the dotted line? A, B, C, D. Page 4 of 71. GATE 2022 Life Sciences Excel page 5 of 71 Q6 Q10 carry 2 marks each. Q.6 In the last few years, several new shopping malls were opened in the city. The total number of visitors in the malls is impressive. However, the total revenue generated through sales in the shops in these malls is generally low. Which one of the following is the correct logical inference based on the information in the above passage? A. Fewer people are visiting the malls but spending more. B. More people are visiting the malls but not spending enough. C. More people are visiting the malls and spending more. D. Fewer people are visiting the malls and not spending enough. Partnership business. The monthly investment by 3 friends for the first 6 months is in the ratio 3, 4, 5. After 6 months, they had to increase their monthly investments by 10%, 15% and 20%, respectively, of their initial monthly investment. The new investment ratio was kept constant for the next 6 months. What is the ratio of their shares in the total profit, in the same order, at the end of the year such that the share is proportional to their individual total investment over the year? A. 22, 23, 24, B. 22, 33, 50, C. 33, 46, 60, D. 63, 86, 110. Consider the following equations of straight lines. Line L1, 2x minus 3y equals 5. Line L2, 3x plus 2y equals 8. Line L3, 4x minus 6y equals 5 line L4, 6x minus 9y equals 6. Which one among the following is the correct statement? A. L1 is parallel to L2 and L1 is perpendicular to L3. B. L2 is parallel to L4 and L2 is perpendicular to L1. C. L3 is perpendicular to L4 and L3 is parallel to L2. D. L4 is perpendicular to L2 and L4 is parallel to L3. Given below are two statements and four conclusions drawn based on the statements. Statement 1. Some soaps are clean. Statement 2. All clean objects are wet. Conclusion I. Some clean objects are soaps. Conclusion 2. No clean object is a soap. Conclusion 3. Some wet objects are soaps. Conclusion IV. All wet objects are soaps. Which one of the following options can be logically inferred? A. Only conclusion I is correct. B. Either conclusion I or conclusion 2 is correct. C. Either conclusion 3 or conclusion IV is correct. D. Only conclusion I and conclusion 3 are correct. Ant walks in a straight line on a plane, leaving behind a trace of its movement. The initial position of the ant is at point P facing east. The ant first turns 72 anti-clockwise at P, and then does the following 2 steps in sequence exactly 5 times before halting. 1. Moves forward for 10 centimeters. 2. Turns 144 clockwise. The pattern made by the trace left behind by the ant is A, B, C, D. Page 9. Chemistry XLP Q11 Q19 carry 1 mark each. Q11 consider a second order reaction. The concentration of A is represented as A. Which of the following is the correct plot for determining the rate constant for the above reaction? A, B, C, D. Which among the following has the least second ionization energy? A, Al, B, C, C, P, D, SQ13. Which among the following metal ions has the highest enthalpy of hydration? Assume the given metal ions have the same counter ion. Given atomic numbers of T, V, crossing and Mn are 22, 23, 24 and 25. Respectively, A T2 plus B V2 plus C Cr2 plus D Mn2 plus. GATE 2022 Life Sciences Excel page 12 of 71 Q14. Among the following, the one having smallest bond angle is A PH3 B PF3 C NF3 D NH3 Q15. Which of the following is the correct statement about hex? Hexoses. A. D-mannose is C4 epimer of D-glucose. B. D-galactose is C2 epimer of D-glucose. C. D-glucose and L-glucose are diastereomers. D. D-glucose and D-galactose are diastereomers. Bases present in DNA are A. Adenine, cytosine, guanine and thymine. B. Adenine, guanine, thymine and uracil. C. Adenine, cytosine, thymine and uracil. Correct order of basicity for the following compounds is A. I greater than 2 greater than 3. B. 2 greater than 3 greater than I. C. 2 greater than I greater than 3. D. 3 greater than I greater than 2. Molar conductance of monobromoacetic acid at infinite dilution is calculated to be x times 10^4 sm2 mol 1 at 25 degrees Celsius. The value of x is round off to the nearest integer given. Electrolyte limiting molar conductance at 25 degrees Celsius in 10^4 sm2 mol 1 HBr 427.95 kBr 151.64 ch2 Br Cook 112.72 A 164 B 195 C 389 D 467 Q19. A sample of benzene contaminated with a non-volatile and non-ionic solute, boils at 0.31 degrees Celsius higher than that of pure benzene. The molality of the solute in the contaminated solution is blank, round off to 2 decimal places. Given gas constant equals 8.314 Jk 1 mol 1 molecular weight of benzene is 78.11 grams mol 1 normal boiling point of benzene is 80.1 degrees Celsius enthalpy of vapor. Among the following statements about cobalt complexes, which is a correct? Given atomic number of Co is 27. A. County NH3 D. County NH3 5Cl 2+. Consider the following reaction. The correct statements related to monochlorination at carbon 2 position is A. The reaction proceeds through alkyl radical intermediate. B. Complete inversion of configuration at carbon 2 takes place. C. Complete retention of configuration at carbon 2 takes place. D. A mixture of enantiomers is formed. Consider the following enzyme catalyzed reaction, where E is enzyme, S is substrate, S is enzyme substrate complex and P is product. The correct statements for the above reaction is A. Maximum possible rate of product formation is dependent on K2 and initial concentration of enzyme. B. For a Consider the following reaction. The correct pathways involved in the reaction is A. E2 followed by isomerization, B. E1 followed by isomerization, C. SN1 followed by isomerization, D. Isomerization through carbocation. Q. A 16 mW monochromatic light emits 4 times 10^16 photons in 1 second. When this light incidents on a metal strip, photoelectrons are emitted. The wavelength of the emitted photoelectrons in A is blank, round off to 1 decimal place.